All right, this is 1.2 number input 1. And for this one, it says ask the user how many times a day they yawn and convert that answer to an integer. So let's take a look here. At line 7, we have yawns equals 0. At line 9, it says get user input and assign to variable yawns. Using the prompt, how many yawns a day do you yawn? Or how many times a day do you yawn? So we're going to start at line 11 to code. So again, it says assign to variable yawns. So I'm going to go yawns. Assign means equal. Then I'm going to do input, parenthesis, quotation mark, how many times a day do you yawn? Question mark, space, quotation mark, parenthesis. That takes care of lines 9 and 10. Then at line 14, it says convert yawns to an integer and store in yawns. So we're going to go yawns because it's still currently stored in yawns, right? But we need to convert it. So yawns equals integer yawns. Okay, yawns equals integer yawns. Y-N-T yawns. I-N-T, not Y-N-T. And then the rest is there for us. Yearly yawns gets yawns times 365. So we had to convert it right here in order to be able to do this math right here. And then for line 17, you yawn. And then notice what we did here. We had to turn yearly yawns into a string. Why? Because right here, yearly yawns is doing math with integers. So yearly yawns, ergo, is an integer. So right here, we had to turn yearly yawns into a string in order for it to be able to print at line 17. So let's go ahead and run the code. How many times do you yawn a day? I'm going to say 4. Hit enter. And then it says you yawn 1,460 times a year. Boy, that's a lot. Now, if we wanted to expand this, we could always talk about how many times we yawn in a day and do more math, but we're not going to do that today. So that is it for this one. Nice and short and sweet.